Hello everyone. Today I am here for class 10, chapter 1, day 4. So today we are going to complete the pending topics of chapter 1. So the next reaction is neutralization reaction. In neutralization reaction you have already done in class 8, in which acid and base react together to form salt and water. And these reactions are highly exothermic in nature because heat is produced, and this can also be represented as double displacement reaction because the salts are interconverting between the compounds. This is an example of neutralization reaction. Hydrochloric acid plus sodium hydroxide will give water plus sodium chloride. More examples of neutralization. Next, very important, redox reactions. Redox reactions, as from its name it's very clear, RED plus OX. RED stands for reduction, OX stands for oxidation. So oxidation and reduction both are contained in redox reaction. So for better understanding of redox reaction, we should understand the meaning of oxidation as well as reduction. Madame Curie said that chemistry is a study of redox reaction. That means where there is oxidation, there will also be reduction. Let's see how. Oxidation. It is a process accompanied by, there are 5 different points you can see on the screen which I have mentioned, that either one of all of these 5 will take place there. Then we can say that oxidation is taking place. Addition of oxygen may be there, removal of hydrogen, increase in positive charge or decrease in negative charge, or loss of electrons. Very important term, oxidizing agent. The substance which oxidizes other substances and get reduced itself, that is known as oxidizing agent. These substances can oxidize other substance by taking electron. Same way for the reduction, it is accompanied by the following 5 steps. Out of these 5, any one can be there: addition of hydrogen, removal of oxygen, increase in negative charge, decrease in positive charge, and gain of electron. Same way, the very important term reducing agent, in which the substance can reduce other substances and itself gets oxidized. This is the example of redox reaction. You can see copper oxide plus hydrogen gas gives copper to water. You can see copper oxide is losing oxygen and forming copper. If we will consider addition or loss of oxygen, then what we will consider, H2 is going and forming H2O, that means it is showing oxidation, and copper oxide on the other hand is losing oxygen, so it's undergoing reduction. Same way in the following example, ferric oxide losing oxygen, so that means it is reduction. Hydrogen gas is getting water, oxygen, and forming water, so that means it is addition of oxygen, that is oxidation. In case of ions, you can see copper 2 positive plus Mg gives Mg2 positive plus copper. What does it show? It shows that copper is getting or gaining electrons. That's why it's forming converting into copper, and magnesium is losing 2 electrons and it's forming magnesium 2 positive. So we can say the copper ion is reduced and the magnesium atom is oxidized. Effects of redox reaction in our daily life: respiration, corrosion, rancidity. Respiration is very common, in which glucose is oxidized, and corrosion, rusting of iron, that you have already done. The new term is rancidity. It is a natural oxidation of oils and fats which are present in food items. Whenever food will be kept outside during the summers, it will start producing foul smell. Why? This is due to oxidation of food, right? And that oxidation of food is known as rancidity. So prevention of rancidity, these are the methods which you can use. Refrigeration, you can store the food items at low temperature, as in winters the food will not get spoiled easily, but in case of summers it will spoil easily. Why? Because during the winters temperature is low, during the summers temperature is high. Keeping away from the sunlight, using preservatives. We can use the preservative. You can see the labels of the